This video covers auto-programmable switch harness replacement for the SlimRack slide-out system. The tools required to perform this procedure include a cordless drill, bits appropriate to the hardware found on your installation, and electrical tape. Decouple the switch harness connection from the controller. Then tape the side of the new harness, which connects to the switch, to the side of the old harness, which connects to the controller. Then fish the harnesses into the hole in the wall. Using a cordless drill, remove the two screws that mount the switch to the wall. Remove the switch from the wall and gently pull the harness connections out into the open. For now, leave the harness connected to the switch and pull on it in order to gain access to the replacement harness you taped to its opposite side. One by one, replace the original harness's spade connections to the switch with the corresponding spade connectors on the new harness. The light blue spade harness connection has two wires running off of it, which need to be matched to the corresponding colored wires on the harness. Tuck the harness back into the hole on the wall. Remount the switch to the wall using your cordless drill and the two screws. Then reconnect the controller end of the harness to the switch port on the controller to complete the harness replacement procedure.